how to make money selling digital printables using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will show you guys how you can easily make money online by selling, and you can create different digital printables using Canva. So just visit canva.com and then create your account, and once you're logged in, you will see this homepage as your dashboard. And by the way guys, printables are one of the most popular digital downloads to sell online, and it includes downloadable planners, diaries, journals, stickers, art prints, coloring pages, and many more. So printables are popular for many reasons, especially this year, because first, printables are highly customizable, and second, printables can be used to add personality to any occasions or objects. And third is that your customer can purchase your digital printables, and then they can just print as many as they can and make use of it to different business. So the most popular platform that used in selling digital products is Etsy. So here's the Etsy products. So you just need to go to etsy.com, and over here, once you have your digital products or your digital printables, then you can just easily create your account here and then post your digital printables to make money online. There's a lot of customers here who will be purchasing downloadable digital printables because they will print it as many as they can, and they will be creating a new physical product for your item. For example, your digital printables is a planner. So there's a lot of customers here who will be purchasing different style of planner, and then they will combine it to make a book planner, and they will sell it as a physical product. So those are the customers that you will be having here. They will be also make use of your downloadable files or your digital printables for their own business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go back to canva.com. So from this software, you can create different graphic design. For example, from planners, diaries, journalists, stickers, art prints, cooking pages, and more. So you just need to go first here, create a design. So first thing first, you need to identify what is the size of your digital printables. You just need to go here, create a design, and over here you can customize your design. You can just enter the width and the height of your design, and over here you can also change it from pixel to inches. For digital printables, it's recommended that you will be using inches since you will be printing this design. So you can go ahead and enter the width here and the height, or also you can make use of the ready-made layout here. For example, they also have a layout here for the Instagram, for a logo, for presentation, for a flyer, for a resume, poster, and many more. So for example, we will be searching here for planner. So here's the recommended result that you can make use of for your size if you don't have any idea if what size you want to create as your digital printable. So these are the most recommended size for planner. So let's go ahead and select see all here. And selecting this see all, it will show you different templates that you may able to make use of to start your design. So as you can see here, you have different design here that you can make use of, and be aware that this one here with a crown icon or currency symbol, these templates are available to premium plan, and this one is you need to pay it. So you need to select a plan doesn't have this icon or symbol, like for example this one here. So these are the templates that you may able to use to start with your design. But for today's video, we will be starting from scratch. So let's go ahead and select the blank planner here. So here's our blank Canva now. So we have the A4. And with that, we will start designing our digital planner. And we will start with the background color. So let's make use of the color like pink one. So let's go ahead and look for the pink. So for example, something like this. And with that, I will go ahead and insert my text here. So you can have a header. subheading, and also your body text. So let's go ahead and make use of the heading or the header. So let's name it as weekly planner. All right, and here we have our font style. By the way, you can also make use of the font style here. These are the font combination that you may able to make use as well. But let me go ahead and select some font style here. All right, so let me make use of this one, for example. So I will go ahead and drag it here. And then the next thing that I will be doing is I will be adding some elements. So just search on elements here. I will go ahead and search for flower elements. And then just click enter, and here you can search for photos, graphics, videos, and audio. So let me go ahead and select the graphics for us to see all the graphic designs. So let me just choose this one, for example, and here you can also change the color of this design, but I will just keep it as black, and then I will move it here. Then I can adjust the transparency of this element. So let's go ahead and lower the transparency. So something like that. I'm not really sure with the position, but let me try to flip it. Let's add another elements in the other side, something like that. And also let's lower the transparency. All right, and after that, let me go ahead and look for the shape. So I will go ahead and search for shapes here. So here's the shape. So I will go ahead and add it here. Let me just change the size. And let me send this one back. And let's change the color to white. So something like that. And then let's add some shape here again. Let's search for a square. Okay, I like this one. And let's add it here. And I will just copy it and paste. So Control C and then Control V. And again, Control C and Control V. And then let me just lock this so that it will not be moving anywhere. So let me just select this and change this size. All right, and I will go ahead and copy this 3 and move it down here. All right, so we can now insert the text here for Monday. So give me a moment. All right, so I will go ahead and type Monday. Let's make it bold. So I just skipped the video, and now here's the design so far. So we have now the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now I will go ahead and add some information here. Let me go ahead and go to text, and let's add some text here, like for example, weekly goal. And here's our final design for our weekly planner. And what you can do next is to download this digital printables as PDF. So you just need to click share here and then just click download. So advisable, if you will be using this one for printing, then you need to download it as PDF print because the quality is much better. After you downloaded it, then just go to Etsy and upload your file here and make it available for your customer to purchase and download the file. And that's how you can make money selling digital printables using Canva. And I guess that's all for today's video. If you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you so much for your time watching this video.